All right, so we got a issue going on with our cool cell curtain, which is back in there. Creepiest place on the farm. Rats have probably chewed the cords holding it up, so I got to go back in there and tie it up. So I'm going to take you back in there with me and show you this fun. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I love it back in here. You can see the chickens. So here's the curtain, and it's all the way up right here, but further back it's fallen. So here we go, back in the cave. Okay, it's getting dark. There we go. Okay. All right. So, yeah, there it is. If you see that. See, it's falling down, so I got to just tie it back up. So, yeah. Yay. Let's do it. Rats. All right, all done. That turned into a thing. I'll show you what I did. Had to replace that pulley right there. And it just loops around the bottom of the, there's a pipe that runs through here, and that's what raises it up. So anyway, it's connected to this cable, and when the cable pulls, it raises the whole thing up. So fun. Anybody want to be a chicken farmer?